Can I edit GoPro videos on my phone? All right, so your first step would be to install a video editing app. So download a mobile editing app like GoPro Quik, CapCut, or VN Editor. You could simply use any of them for this purpose. And then the next step would be to simply transfer your GoPro videos to your phone. So import your GoPro footage using the Quik app, that is the Quik app here, or an SD card adapter on a phone with an SD card slot, or a USB cable for instant transfers. All right, and once you're done, just go ahead and begin editing by trimming and cutting out the unnecessary or unwanted parts, and then cutting and adding those clips together. So basically, you're going to remove the parts of the videos you don't want and then add them to the parts of the videos you do want. And then once you're done, go ahead and add music and effects, transitions, and all that good stuff. And then once you're done there, just go ahead and simply export your final video. So when you're done editing, export the video in the highest quality for YouTube or social media. 1080p or 4K exports are really good. All right, guys.